Hey mga ka-thrifty! Let me share some tips to achieve a thrifty lifestyle. Tipid tip number 1. Stick to your set budget. How to do it? First, have a list of expenditures. If you're going to the grocery, list the items that you really need to buy. Check your inventories to avoid buying items na meron ka pala namang stock sa bahay. Tandaan, keep your eyes and your hands only to the items in your list. Okay? Second, set aside your savings and investments. Every month, once you receive your salary, this should be the first thing to do. The most effective way is to set auto-debit from your payroll account to your savings account. Nice, diba? Number 3. Use cash only. As much as possible, sanayin ang sarili na gumamit ng cash. Credit card is your biggest temptation. Remember, bumili ng naaayon sa laman ng bulsa. Tipid tip number 2. Stop comparing yourself with your neighbor. If your friend buys a new car, nag-travel at nagbakasyon, or may bagong jewelries na kumikinang-kinang pa, o kaya naman mahilig siyang kumain sa mahaling resto, may bagong appliances, or na-promote sa trabaho, then let him be. Huwag mo i-stress ang sarili mo at huwag kang mabuhay sa inggit kasi mababaliw ka lang. At the end of the day, it is what you got and how you take care of it that will really matter. Tipid tip number 3. Embrace minimalism. Be consistent, hindi yung one time or one day lang. Be contented on simple things and you'll see you'll enjoy life more. And that's it. Sana may napulot kayo and hope to see you guys on my next vlogs. Bye! Please like and share if you enjoyed this video. Kindly also subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep updated. Maraming salamat!